Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: battery above 20% and a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection so the download won't fail. Once done, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Make sure you're signed into the same account used to install the Geo app. This prevents conflicting versions and lets the store recognize the app for updates. Now search for Geo in the store. Proceed when the app listing appears. Once you're on the Geo app page, locate the Update button. If it reads Open, you're already up to date. Tap Update to start downloading. The store may request permissions or confirm storage use, so accept those prompts to continue. Let the download run without switching to heavy apps that hog bandwidth. You'll see a progress indicator. When installation finishes, the button changes to Open. If the update includes data migration, the app will prompt on first launch. Follow those steps. Open the Geo app after installation and sign in. Verify critical features like my account, recharge, or streaming load correctly. If something looks off, force close and reopen the app because cached data can block new components. If the update failed, clear the store cache or app cache via settings, reboot the device, and retry the update. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the Geo app or contact Geo support. This sequence fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.